What if I told you your brain might actually be addicted to stress? If you've been living in stress for a long time, your nervous system can start to treat it as your baseline. So when things finally get calm, it doesn't feel peaceful to you. It feels unfamiliar, sometimes even uncomfortable. So your brain starts scanning for problems, not because anything is wrong, but because it's trying to return to what feels normal for it. Try this. Pause for a moment. Take a slow breath. Now, gently bring your attention to something real, the feel of your feet on the ground, your body being supported, or the rhythm of your breath. Let yourself stay there for just a few seconds. This is how you begin to teach your nervous system that calm is safe as well. Want a 5-step simple process you can use every day to find more calm? I have a free guide in the description for you. See you tomorrow for another mindful moment.